The person you're destined to become is the person that you work towards to become. You cannot expect to be a superstar, super closer, and you're not working on yourself. You don't appreciate yourself enough to spend time with yourself, to study, to go over the lessons, to practice, to criticize yourself, to give yourself love and feedback. Because when I say criticize yourself, some people is like, oh man, that call was terrible. I really did really bad. No, it's not about that. It's about being positive and being able to see the good things and the bad things. Man, I could have done better. And you write down where you fail, what you can improve. You cannot become Michael Jordan by not training. Just watching Michael Jordan, man, Michael Jordan is a beast. How he did it? Training, not knowing and improving yourself, moving towards what you want to become. There's no way you're gonna become Michael Jordans in real estate if you don't practice, if you don't start, if you don't look for guidance, and if you don't do and fail. You need to fail enough times so you can start winning.